Most beginners think the goal is getting clients. It's not. The real goal is keeping clients, because one client paying you every month is more powerful than constantly chasing new people. In this video, I'll show you how to turn one AI client into consistent monthly income. Call to action. Comment monthly income if you're ready to level up. This is why most people stay broke freelancing. Most freelancers stay trapped. Why? Because they constantly restart from zero. New month, no clients, no predictable income. That cycle destroys momentum. And eventually, most people quit. Smart creators do something different. They build recurring systems. The mindset shift. Stop thinking, how do I make quick money? Start thinking, how do I become valuable every month? Businesses don't want random help. They want consistency. The hook. The person who solves ongoing problems gets paid ongoing money. Step 1. Start with a simple service. Don't try to offer 20 services. Start with one. Examples: AI content creation, chatbot management, automation setup, social media captions. Keep it simple enough to repeat. Call to action. Type one service if you understand this. Step 2. Deliver results fast. The first few days matter most. Why? Because clients decide quickly if you're worth keeping. So deliver something fast. Not perfect. Fast. Examples: faster replies, better content, more engagement, organized workflow. Quick wins build trust. Step 3. Turn one-time work into monthly service. This is the biggest secret. Most beginners complete the work and disappear. Huge mistake. Studio microphone. Instead, ask, what else can I help automate or improve monthly? Examples: after chatbot setup, monthly optimization, analytics tracking, content updates, money bag hook. Small monthly payments become big income over time. Fire call to action. Comment recurring if this is clicking for you. Step 4. Stack services. Once trust is built, you can add more services. Light bulb examples. Started with captions, then added short form scripts, email automation, content scheduling. One client can become multiple income streams. Fire advanced strategy. Always solve the next problem. Step 5. Become irreplaceable. Your goal is not to be cheap. Your goal is to become difficult to replace. Communicate clearly. Reply quickly. Suggest improvements. Be proactive. Light bulb result. Clients keep paying people who make life easier. How to reach $1,000 per month. Let's make this practical. Money bag example. 5 clients times $200 per month equals $1,000 per month. That's not millions. That's manageable. And once systems improve, you scale further. This is the biggest mistakes that kill growth. Avoid these mistakes. Disappearing after payment. Poor communication. Overpromising. Charging too little. Inconsistency. Trust is the real business. The long game. Most people want fast money, but long-term income comes from systems and relationships. Build slowly. Build properly. And eventually, momentum takes over. Powerful ending CTA. One client can change everything. Not because of the money, but because it proves you can do it. Direct hit final CTA. Comment. Scaling. If you're serious about building consistent AI income. And subscribe, because next, I'll show you how to build a personal brand that attracts AI clients automatically. See you in the next video.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Just click this button right here, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching.